So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at repairing a damaged UPVC window. Now, to complete this task you will need a drill with a small drill bit, a heat gun, a small thin screwdriver, various grades of sandpaper, a UPVC polish, and a spray bottle with just water in it. Right, we've got two areas that are damaged. The opening window and the moulding, which is on the inside of the window. As you can see, the damage on the moulding is quite deep, but I've got a trick which will get this sorted. First task, we need to remove the draft excluder. Now this exposes the groove directly in front of the damage. Get a small drill and drill a small hole in the groove. Now be careful not to go right the way through to the damaged area. Taking a closer look at the damage, you can see the damage is deep, but the UPVC isn't split. Now this gives us a chance to use quite an easy method to repair it. Using a heat gun, apply the heat onto the damage. Now, what we're trying to do is heat the UPVC up to a point where we'll be able to change the shape of it. By using a small thin screwdriver, carefully put pressure onto the damaged area while heating it up at the same time. At some point you'll notice that the damage has changed shape and hopefully be sticking out proud. Okay, so a little bit of a diagram of what we're actually doing. We've drilled the hole at the back of the damage there, applying the heat at the front. And basically what we want to achieve is something like this, where the damage has started to protrude out. And I'll show you on the next stage why. This next stage we're actually going to sand the damage out. As you can see, I'm sanding right across the top of the moulded area. This is to keep the area looking the same, as if you sand just in the damaged area, you'll create a dish on the window. As the damage is deep, use 120 grit sandpaper to start with. So by heating it up and sanding the lump on the damaged area, you should hopefully be able to sand all the damage out. Keep sanding until all the marks have been removed, maintaining the rounded profile and keeping all the straight edges. Do exactly the same with the opening window. As this is just flat, it's slightly easier. Sand it by hand in places if you need to, making sure all the damage is removed. Repeat the process with 180 grit sandpaper, 240 grit sandpaper, 320 grit sandpaper. Each time you do, the repair will become smoother. Give the areas a light spray with water and using firstly 600 wet and dry, then 1500 wet and dry. Give the areas a good sand. Last of all, a light spray and give it a polish with some UPVC polish. Just a quick thank you to my cameraman for a job well done. Good work. All done, as good as new. As we say in the Black Country, that's Boston. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment below and we'll do our best to reply. And please click on subscribe as I do plan to put more videos on in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.